What do we say?
Welcome to Mommy's, Daddy's, Baby's Experiment Egg.
How about Mason's? Daddy's?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at the polymer experiment. Say polymer. Say polymer. Are you bored already? Okay. Right, so here we've got, what's inside?
Water!
What's this? A plastic. A plastic is made up of chains of molecules called a polymer. Okay? Now, these polymers are very flexible, so you can stretch them, okay? They will expand. Expand means, like stretching, okay? Now, we're going to look at, we're going to prove that this plastic bag is flexible, okay? So we've got some pencil.
Mason.
Look, we're gonna poke the pencil through this. And what should happen is, if my science is correct, and 10 out of 10 the science is always correct, these the molecules will pass through, but it won't poke. Okay? So what we're gonna do,
You won't poke?
now it won't burst. It'll poke through it, but it won't burst. Okay. Right, so I'm gonna do this above Mason's head.
Huh?
Okay? Right, okay, can you move over there? Come on, stand up.
Magic.
Stand up. So what's that?
Oh, malapit na siya.
Come here. So what I'm going to do, right, look. Look at mommy. Got the water. I'm going to poke through this above your head. Let's see whether it's going to burst. No, you stay. No, it's not. Look, it's magic. Oh, you sit down. You sit down. Look.
See that?
Did you see that? So, what happened there? Right, those molecules that I was mentioning, they would have hugged the pencil. So, if I put another one, so you will see, right? Look.
Wait.